morning, students. Today we are going to what we have to do to install our work. The option is Anaconda. We have to install PyCharm first. I have made a proper document file for all of you to follow step by step process how to install with the snapshot of how doing. Then you will install TensorFlow, CMD, okay, then Keras, CMD, then Google Client, client, then CMD. Okay. Now all five has to be solved. These two you need to download. I have provided the link also from where you can download it. Okay, latest version you download it. It will take half an hour and to 1 hour to set up your environment. Let's proceed how it is done. See, first download Anaconda. Okay. You will download Anaconda from individual edition. It is free of cost. You can download it around 480 MB. So you can easily download it and install. Then download PyCharm Windows Community Edition. Okay, it is free. Now open PyCharm. Create a new create a new project. Give location where you want to use that project. Okay, now we have to use this is will come here. This matching is there. Now you can see here, first open PyCharm project, new project, and give location where you have downloaded the exercise file. Now your exercise file you can easily find in the description of this YouTube video link. I have created a Google Drive link for you can download the exercise file. Now from Conda environment, create use Conda environment and give the environment name as Keras. Simple, because we are working on Keras, you can give it as Keras. Next, open the Anaconda prompt. Now this is Anaconda prompt. Open it using command line prompt. Fine. Okay. This will you can come using here. Move it. Okay. Now, after coming to Anaconda prompt, what you have to do, you have to use this command, that is the environment which you have created using my project in PyCharm. You have to activate that environment. You have to use this command, activate Keras. It is not going to install Keras, it is just going to activate Keras environment. Next, activate Keras. It will automatically activate that environment, and you will see in the left hand side in the small braces Keras will be written. Otherwise, it normal in Anaconda prompt it will be written as base. Fine. Now install TensorFlow. Now TensorFlow you will be installing using uh, what do you call it, based on pip command. Okay, pip command you can easily use it. Pip command you can easily use it. Pip command. Now here you see activate Keras. Okay. I'm creating you for you guys. Now I have downloaded all these things in lecture 1. So I think this is now you will have to install TensorFlow. Now same you have to use pip command to install TensorFlow. Then you have to simply install Keras using again the pip command. Fine. Finally you have to use Google API Python client. Fine. So you have no other further command, only pip install. Pip you will use Python environment for installing packages related to Python. Otherwise, you can use conda command also that can be used. Now, these two links you can also take help to understand how these commands work. Now, come back to PyCharm environment. Okay. Now this is the exercise files. You will have it when you will download it, like 03, 04, 05, some exercise files are there. And then this requirement.txt, it will text what packages are required. Now when you open your PyCharm environment, you will see open, go to your exercise file where you have open install it. While making a project, you have to give the location of the project is same location where your exercise file are downloaded. Now open this, you can see all the files. What files you can see here? You can see all the files in directory format here, and you will see install requirements. After everything is done, it may take some time. Don't worry, it may take some time, half an hour, 1 hour, or you have to restart your system also. Now, after the TensorFlow it starts, and some because these requirements are little bit outdated, like Keras version, they have installed outdated version. Other versions are also outdated. So don't worry, you have already installed TensorFlow, Keras, and Google Client. So don't worry, just remove that requirement file. Now you are ready to go. Fine. Now, if you are done up till now, you are ready and fully functional to go. Fine. Now you can find this exercise file, step by step file in the description box. Fine. Hope you are done with. If you're not done with, then today's lecture after the session ML session, we'll figure it out. And this is it for installation. After that, we will work towards move supervised learning using Keras.